Dollops of gleaming chrome, all metal, shining black body with a rumbling twin-cylinder engine and the open road. It's the stuff of motorcycle dreams, or motorcycling as Hollywood and the American motorcycling industry would like you to believe. But this one here is not your quintessential all-American cruiser.
If you're a 007 fan, you'd remember a BMW cruiser motorcycle from a 1990s Bond movie. Or you could Google Tomorrow Never Dies and you'll be treated to a 5-minute long chase sequence on that BMW R12 and see the first cruiser from BMW Motorrad. But that was in 1997. Now 20 years later, we have this, the all-new BMW R18.
It's a magnificent looking motorcycle from all angles. The huge cylinders of the Boxer twin engine stick out on both sides, covered in gleaming chrome. The round headlight has retro appeal, but the headlight is LED, giving it that contemporary touch. And it also features adaptive turning light while cornering. The circular instrument console also looks classic, but the small digital screen adds modernity and access to all the information and features, including the somewhat quirkily named riding modes: rock, roll and rain. But there's no mistaking the classic lines of the R18 with touches of heritage which are all too obvious. The classic fishtail exhausts, the white pinstriping on the fuel tank are all signs of BMW's legacy, going back 90 years to the BMW motorcycles from the 1930s. More specifically, the R18 actually pays homage to the 1936 BMW R5. And it's down to the details, including the swing arm triangle and the concealed rear shock, giving the R18 a hardtail look. And what's also cool is the exposed drive shaft, another throwback to BMW bikes from almost a century ago.
The first thing that strikes you is that this motorcycle is huge. And it's not just the length and the sheer size of it. The moment you straddle it, you'll feel its weight. All of 345 kgs only. And of course, you'll be drawn to these huge cylinders, displacing all of 1800cc, horizontally opposed Boxer twin, one cylinder here, one cylinder there. And when you thumb the starter, you'll be shaken and stirred, quite literally. Allow me to demonstrate.
The R18 has the largest Boxer twin ever designed and manufactured by BMW, displacing all of 1802cc, that's a whooping 901cc in each cylinder. On the move, the big Boxer smoothens out immediately. And in terms of performance, there's no mistaking that it's a modern BMW. There's plenty of torque available right from idle, and it urges you to short shift and ride the torque rather than chase the revs. But the hardtail look also has a hardtail feel, so it's best to slow down when the going gets rough. But out on a long smooth highway, it will cruise happily with gleaming chrome drawing attention to its period correct looks. If you do like to chase the revs, some vibes will kick in from the big Boxer at over 3500 RPM. But the R18 is best enjoyed at lower revs, and it will cruise all day effortlessly at triple digit speeds.
So the 1800cc Boxer Twin is a torque mill, so makes about 158 Newton meters of torque at 3000 RPM, and over 100 Newton meters of that is available from as low as 2500 RPM right up to 4000 RPM. What that means in the real world is that you can short shift, reach 100 kilometers per hour in no time and sit at 140 kilometers per hour all day long. Only issue is the wind blast will get to you. And it's a heavy bike, of course, and it can take on the twisties quite nicely. But the foot peg clearance is somewhat limiting factor. So when you take a corner, you'll end up scraping both sides of the foot pegs very soon. But it's a beautiful, beautiful machine. Looks absolutely fantastic. A modern classic in the true sense. And if you're in the market for a cruiser, this one should be on your top 5 list right now.
There's also automatic stability control, hill start control, as well as engine drag torque control to make riding the R18 an effortless and safe experience. The standard R18 is priced at 18,90,000 rupees, and the R18 First Edition with more chrome and heritage touches is priced at 21,90,000 rupees. At those prices, what the R18 offers is a gorgeous cruiser, German built, but with American cruiser appeal. It's stable and planted on a long straight road. The engine is torquey and feels effortless at all speeds. And despite its size and weight, the R18 handles beautifully. But the foot peg clearance somewhat robs you of the joy of exploring the bike's dynamics. So if you're expecting a sporty ride experience, you'd best look elsewhere. But despite its flaws, the R18 offers an almost perfect neo-retro cruiser. It's a guaranteed head turner, and it begins to grow on you the more time you spend in the saddle.